I wanted to talk about a property that we purchased in Battersea, a project that we completed in Vauxhall, in West Hampstead, in Brixton. In this video, I want to talk about the 7 reasons why I invest in property, but I'll tell you the most important reason of all at the end, so stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Ravinder Singh Aujla, and on this channel we talk about how you can grow a property portfolio quicker and faster than a normal investor, how investing works and what smart investors look for, how finance works and how you can use it to your advantage, personal development and growth which allows us to live happier, healthier and more productive lives. So let's get into this video. Reason number 1, there are no barriers to entry. Barriers to entry are those things that make it difficult for someone to enter a given market. For example, if you want to become a fully qualified accountant like I did at Ernst & Young, you will have to have a good degree, spend 3 years on a training program and pass all your exams over those 3 years. With property, you don't need any qualifications or specialist training, which takes years to complete. There are no barriers to entry comparatively. Number 2, property is tangible. You can view a property, you can see it, you can touch it, and you can visualize what it could be potentially. With other investments, this is not possible, such as stocks and shares. Everything is online and it's all electronic. Number 3, cash is king. On a monthly basis, once you have let the property, the rental income will cover the mortgage payments, leaving you with some cash each month. As you add to your portfolio over time, this will only increase your monthly cash flow, and depending on the property strategy you follow, you could increase your monthly cash flow 3 or 4 times the level generated by a normal buy-to-let property. For example, or running that particular property as a HMO or running a serviced accommodation business like I did when I first left investment banking. Number 4, capital appreciation. So over time, they say property prices tend to increase or tend to double every 10 years. I would say probably it's a lot sooner than that in my experience in London. It's an asset class which is in demand and therefore short supply, meaning that prices in the long term tend to increase, resulting in capital appreciation. As an example, you're able to refinance a property that you own. If its value has increased significantly, those funds will go back to the limited company, from which you can pay yourself additional salary, a dividend, or even buy another property. Number 5, passive income. I hate this word, however, you can put in place systems and processes to ensure that your time involvement is limited, or it can be as active as you choose. So on a monthly basis, you'll receive the cash flow from the property, and this will continue as you let the property, and you'll benefit from the capital appreciation in years to come. Reason number 6. So the most important reason that I invest in property is for leverage. When I talk about leverage, I'm talking about 3 aspects. The first one is leveraging money. In every other investment, you would need to put in 100% of the initial investment. For example, if I wanted to invest £100,000 in the stock market, I would need £100,000. Whereas if I wanted to invest in a property worth £100,000, I would only need £25,000 as a deposit. The buy-to-let lender would lend me the remaining £75,000. And depending on what I do to that particular property, I can further reduce or limit the money I've left in. Leverage skill sets. So I love the fact that I can leverage other people's skill sets. I don't have to be an expert. In property, I use knowledgeable brokers, qualified solicitors with many years of conveyancing experience, architects, fully qualified electricians, plumbers and builders with years and years of experience. Leverage time. You can leverage the time of estate agents. They have the knowledge of what's coming on, at how much, and what the situation of the owner is, and how much the property might be worth once you let them know what you plan to do with that particular property. They'll also let you know what the property will rent for and potentially what it could rent for once you've completed the works. They will have a good idea of what's happening in the area and be able to drastically reduce the time you need to do the research. So those were the 7 main reasons I invest in property. If you like this video, please smash that like button and hit subscribe so that you get notified when I release another video. Make sure you are subscribed, as I will pick a subscriber at random and have a 10-minute call with you to see how I can help you on your property investing journey. Please check out my personal website, ravinderorjala.com, where I have lots of free videos on property investing and service accommodation. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Bye.